All right, guys. I'm gonna do another video tomorrow, just so you guys can hear it like warmed up how it sounds. This is the first startup with the new HMF competition exhaust. No silencer in. I mean, this is just straight flow. The bike is running with the air lid off, and it does have a power commander on there. And as you know from the last video, this seat was actually torn up here. So I got the new factory effects seat cover, grab bar, front bar. But like I said, the video tomorrow, the next video you guys see is gonna be more in depth. But this is choke on. All right, choke is on. All right. So either gonna start up, blow up, or we all finna be impressed. You ready?